Hello and welcome. Previously, you had the option to show battery percentage right here. However, it's not the case with macOS Big Sur. And no, you cannot enable that using the battery preferences. What you need to do is click on the Apple icon on the menu bar, go to System Preferences. On the System Preferences window, click on the dock and menu bar icon. Now, on the dock and menu bar window, on the left side, scroll to find Battery under Other Modules. Now, on the right side, check Show Percentage. Please give this a like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials and tips, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.